I'm here this afternoon with Luiz Paulo of GETTI Chemicals, which is originally a Brazilian company, although Luiz lives here in China.
Yes.
And we've been talking this afternoon about conceptualizing the future tannery. One of the points that always arises with the huge importance chemical companies have in supplying tanneries is where does the ownership of the technology lie, and where will it lie in the future? Will you as a chemical company own everything and the tannery just step up the volume after you introduce everything, or is it more of a shared relationship?
Actually, we really believe that the technology is a responsibility of the chemical suppliers nowadays. While we know that we will survive only selling chemicals, we know that our most valuable product is our technical service. Because with the short lead times nowadays, the technicians in the tannery, they don't have time for research. And they are the day by day fixing problems and running to fix the problems and trying to optimize processes. And the chemical suppliers have this responsibility to be the source of new technologies, new chemicals, and bringing to the leather industry new ways to make the leathers.
But we have thought over the last decade or so that the margins in chemical companies have got quite tight because of compliance with things like REACH, and that perhaps they'd stepped back from long-term research. Do you think the research will come back to the chemical companies, or am I explaining it wrongly?
No, I think it is already happening. The point about the REACH and all the RSL and everything, it brings to the chemical industry a huge responsibility, because again, tanneries, they are too busy trying to deliver the leathers on the right time and with the right quality, and they will always rely all the related issues with the chemicals with the chemical supplier. So nowadays we have to supply everything, all the information and regarding RSL and low VOC and all these issues. So yes, I think you are right.
Taking that side forward, you made quite a lot of comments on the sustainability aspects of the industry. Would you like to expand on those just a bit?
Yeah, of course. Sustainability regarding leather process is, I think, is a huge subject. Like you were saying earlier, the new technologies about water wasting, for example. We know that there are many ways to make leather without water nowadays. And this is something that we should go further. Besides that, using chemicals with water-based chemicals, for example. Our company doesn't work anymore with any solvent-based chemicals. We reject that because we know that in future, tanneries will have to avoid this. And also, we are always trying to bring the community closer to the leather industry, because the leather industry nowadays is a little bit targeted, right? And we have the responsibility to make the community understand that leather is sustainable, leather is beautiful, leather is natural, and leather can be used as all the other alternative materials that are developed already.
And you see in all this that the chemical companies retain a very big role going forward.
Definitely. Because we are, besides being a source of new technologies, we have been a source of trends as well. For example, we have laboratory in Italy only searching for new trends. So we have to supply to the tanneries all the new trends and all the fashion that are coming to the leather. So in this way, we will be able to put the leather in one of the the primary places of the material for shoe manufacturing.
So, thank you very much.
You are welcome.